Hi, this is Rich with Fast Reviews, and I'm super excited here. I'm at the Tesla Center in Santana Row, and we're looking at the brand new Cybercab. This is the one that was in the show. You see inside, there's a large screen. Looks like it's a 20-inch display, and you can see that it's a two-seater car. Two-seater car, very simple. There's no steering column. It's got comfortable seats, and it's got two cup holders there, as well as a glove box. Inside, you see that it doesn't have the glass roof like the other cars, but it does have a large windshield. You got an interior camera in there. That's for the full self-driving feature. And you've got a huge, huge screen. This whole area right here is for ventilation. Now look at the doors. Kind of a DeLorean style doors from Back to the Future. It does latch down. And you can see that the back here, actually, it's not a window, it's just a glass. There's no, or it's really, really highly tinted. You get the tires underneath the wheel covers here. All right, so the back side has the LED lights that run across, as well as plastic bumpers. This is California plates. And you'll notice it doesn't have any back window, but it does have the rear camera. So on this side, the passenger side, same as the driver's side, you get in, the doors rise. It looks like it's on a hydraulic system. So the doors right here will pop up, and then there's also a camera right here, which is the full self-driving feature. So kind of cool. So it's on a hydraulic spring system. So the front trunk is huge. I'm imagining that the front trunk space is this level, but unfortunately we don't get to touch it. But you do have the LED light right here that's reminiscent of the Lucid system. You don't have any fog lights, and you have a camera on the bottom here. So you've got the camera on the bottom, which the current cars don't have. Now if you look on the top there, you can see that there's 3 cameras, just like the existing models, the full self-driving cameras. And you've got windshield wipers here on this side. So that's it in a nutshell, guys. Thank you so much for watching this preview video of the Cybercab. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
So